In today's project, I'm using just regular 2-liter plastic bottles. I'm cutting out the top part like I'm showing here. I'm using here 12 bottles of the same size. Then I'll be connecting it by sewing it into each other. I made it into a round shape and I'll be reinforcing it by filling each bottle with cardboard rolls. The rolls I'm making here are like 10 to 12 centimeters taller than the height of the bottles. To keep the base in its round firm shape, I'll be using a lot of tape. I'm gluing on round cardboards into its bottom and top. I used a flexible cardboard sheet and covered its entire side. To make a cushioned top part, I'm using a foam. The foam I'm using is very thin, so I'll be using few layers instead of using a thick layer of foam. The fabric I am using is wool blended felt material. The link is in the description. Please go and check it out. As I said earlier, this piece is for the top part, so set it aside and get a measurement of the base. I'm measuring here its height and circumference. So once I'm cutting the fabric, I'll be adding extra 2-3 inches on both sides. Here I'm using hot glue to secure the fabric into the base. I'm cutting out felt strips to make the designed part. Depends on the size of the base, you may need to cut a lot of strips. Here I'm gluing each ends together. I made a total of 90 for the base with a size of approximately 14 by 47 in height and circumference. Here I am gluing on the shapes into the base. Here I made a thin strip like this to cover the center part of the design. Now I'm gluing on the previously made cushioned part to the top. To cover the bottom of the ottoman, I'll be using just regular lining fabric. But if you are concerned, you can use a fire or water resistant material according to your needs and budget. And that's all for today's video. It's really cheap to make, so you can try it on your spare time and enjoy the craft. See you next time. Bye bye.